Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. In this tutorial, we'll create a simple Angular 17 application that performs CRUD, create, read, update, delete, operations using local storage. Local storage allows us to store data in the user's browser, which can be useful for small applications. Prerequisites. Make sure you have the following installed. Node.js, which includes npm. Angular CLI. Step 1. Setting up Angular project. First, create a new Angular project using Angular CLI. Bash. ng new angular-crud-local-storage. cd angular-crud-local-storage. Step 2. Create a service for local storage. Next, create a service to handle the local storage operations. Bash. ng generate service local storage. localstorage.service.ts. TypeScript. Import injectable from @angular/core. @injectable. Providedin, root. Export class local storage service. Private storage key equals items. Constructor. / create. Add item, any. Const items equals this. Get items. Items.push, item. Local storage.set item, this. Storage key, JSON.stringify, items. / read. Get items, any. Const items equals local storage.get item, this. Storage key. Return items. JSON.parse, items. / update. Update item, index, number, updated item, any. Const items equals this. Get items. Items index equals updated item. Local storage.set item, this. Storage key, JSON.stringify, items. / delete. Delete item, index, number. Const items equals this. Get items. Items.splice, index, 1. Local storage.set item, this. Storage key, JSON.stringify, items. Step 3, create a component for CRUD operations. Now, create a new component for handling the CRUD operations. Bash. ng generate component item. Item.component.ts. TypeScript. Import component, on-init from @angular/core. Import local storage service from /localstorage.service. @component. Selector, app item. Template URL, ./item.component.html. Style URLs, ./item.component.css. Export class item component implements on-init. Items, any equals. New item, string equals. Edit index, number null equals null. Constructor, private local storage service, local storage service. Gone init. This. Load items. Load items. This. Items equals this. Local storage service. Get items. Add item. If, this. New item. This. Local storage service. Add item, this. New item. This. Load items. This. New item equals. Edit item, index, number. This. Edit index equals index. This. New item equals this. Items index. Update item. If, this. Edit index, equals null. This. Local storage service. Update item, this. Edit index, this. New item. This. Load items. This. New item equals. This. Edit index equals null. Delete item, index, number. This.localstorageservice.delete item, index. This.load items. Step 4, create the template. Now, create the HTML template for the item component. Item.component.html. HTML. div. H2 CRUD operations with local storage /H2. Input, ng model, equals new item placeholder equals enter item / button, click, equals edit index, equals null. Update item, add item. Edit index, equals null. Update, add. / button. ul. li *ng for equals let item of items, let I equals index. Item. Button, click, equals edit item, I, edit / button. Button, click, equals delete item, I, delete / button. /li. /ul. /div. Step 5, update app module. Make sure to import forms module in your application module for two-way data binding to work with ng model. App module.ts. TypeScript. Import ng module from @angular/core. Import browser module from @angular/platform browser. Import forms module from @angular/forms. Import app component from /app component. Import item component from /item/item.component. @ng module. Declarations. App component. Item component. Imports. Browser module. Forms module. Providers. Bootstrap, app component. Export class app module. Step 6, add item component to app component. Finally, include the item component in your main application components template. App component.html. HTML. App item /app item. Step 7, run the application. You can now run the application using bash ng-serve. Open your browser and navigate to http://localhost 4200. You should see the CRUD interface where you can add, edit, and delete items. Conclusion. In this tutorial, we created a simple Angular 17 application that performs CRUD operations using local storage. This is a basic example that can be expanded upon for more complex applications. You can improve this example by adding features such as validation, notifications, or even a more complex data structure.